Hi, my name is DatT, and this is my project 6. So this is my file structure. This is my main activity. This is my layout file. And this is my string file. Now we'll demonstrate the project. So I'll enter in invalid data. Now I'll enter in the valid data. I'll show the list. Data 1 was added, and I'll add in another data. And now I will try to remove the invalid data. And then I will remove the valid data. Show that data 1 has been removed, and then I will remove data 2. And then data 2 has been removed. So that's it for my project 6. In this project, the additional feature that I was a Google map. So if I click on this icon, it will open up the Google map, and the location is at the UCO Computer Science Department. And that's it for my project. Thank you for listening.